Imagine you're signing a piece of paper thinking you're doing a loan modification. Next thing you know, you lost your home. How did that happen? Well, it did happen. And the story I'm about to share with you, it's called a scam on quitclaim deed. Let's watch the story together and we'll identify all the red flags.
A family frustrated and out of options.
Nobody's been caught, and we're now sitting here.
Priscilla Lopez Vargas sharing the nightmare they've dealt with since their father fell victim to a scam. She says it all started several years ago when Rodrigo Vargas Guerrera was looking to lower his mortgage payment and met a man at church who said he could help.
He said he was an attorney, that he was going to help him with the house and get a loan modification.
Okay, I'm gonna stop here for a second. We already see some red flags. The guy goes to the church regularly. So this person, the scammer, claimed to be an attorney who's going to help him with a loan modification. Easily trusted, who is willing to help with a problem. Okay, have we checked his credentials? No, we haven't. We only trust him because of what he said. Let's keep on watching.
Lopez Vargas says that man then convinced her father to send him thousands of dollars and sign a quitclaim deed to transfer the house out of his name.
I want to show you this piece of paper here. This is a copy of a quitclaim deed. It's one of the simplest forms to transfer your interest in a property to another person. Once it's recorded, you are done. You might as well give the key to the guy. One red flag, he was asking for money, then asked you to sign something you don't understand. Now, what happens next? Let's watch this.
Guerrera in his home. But due to legal and financial challenges, the worst happened.
Last week, they foreclosed on my father's home.
And after that foreclosure, it was then sold off in an auction.
So the scammer used the quitclaim deed, transferred the title, right? And then what happened is he did not make the mortgage payment. The lender demanded it and ended up in a foreclosure proceeding, which ended up in a public auction. So Rodriguez lost his home. Even though he wanted to get it back by making his payments, it's not going to happen because he is no longer the legal owner. You know, they can spend hours looking for that guy. At the end of the day, it's like how much stress, financial resources you want to really apply to this. And on top of that, you are racing against statute of limitations. So this guy is gone. Before I wrap up this video, I want to ask you, what did you learn? And how can you prevent this from happening? Well, there are several things you can do. Don't ever sign anything you don't understand, particularly related to property. Always seek advice from a legal counsel, your own legal counsel. If somebody claims to be an attorney, check their credentials. If somebody says, I work for a bank for loan modification, check their credential. Then verify recorded documents on a regular basis. You can go to your county recorder's office online and check all the recorded documents. Subscribe to a credit monitoring service so that if things filed against you, you are aware of and take actions immediately. Check the mailing address. A lot of people don't. You know, your important documents could be sent to the wrong address and be stolen. If you have a vacant property, even out of state, for example, you can have the neighbor check on it, making sure nobody illegal is residing on that property. If you find anything, make sure to call district attorney's office and alert them immediately. I hope all these actions will prevent you from having these tragic stories happening to you or your loved ones. If this helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel. I've also linked local resources in the description below for details that you can access, particularly for Placer County. I hope this helps, and I'll see you on my next video.